Hello traders, welcome back again in my video. So what you can see in my screen, yes, Giimer. This is a prop firm I am going to introduce today. I will discuss about this prop firm and its future giveaway probability. So what you have to do, you have to support me, watch the complete video, like this video and show your support in comments. If you guys are engaged in this video properly, so I can build a strong community. So you have to support me. So please stick to the video till the end. Show your support by liking and commenting in this video. Now let's dive into the video. This video is just for education purpose. Giimer. This is a prop firm which is growing fast in this prop firm industry. So many people know about this, and also I checked everything ins and out of this prop firm and user reviews. I will show you everything step by step, and also their funding models, what funding model they are offering, and prices, trading rules, terms and conditions, everything. So let's check it out. The prop firm is Giimer. They have two types of funding models, one step and two step. You can see they offered profit split up to 90%. Let's see in detail. Two step. You can see their prices. You can start from a small account just for $15. Leverage is 1:100, which is industry standard. Time period unlimited. Here is the difference with other prop firm, where other prop firm profit target for step 1 is 8%, here is 5%, and where is other prop firm step 2 profit target is 5%, here is 8%. That means it's vice versa. I think this is little bit better, because if you clear the stage 1 easily, then the motivation and mindset will be high to clear the second phase easily. So this is very good. Maximum drawdown is 10%, daily drawdown 5%, which is maximum in this industry. News trading allowed with conditions. We will check in the rules section. Reward split up to 90%. Minimum trading days is 4. You have to complete 4 trading days at least. Also, you can upgrade your challenge power by customized add-ons. Let's check their step 1. Here you can see it starts from 10k. Leverage is 1:30, which is more than enough. Time is unlimited. Performance target 10%. That means profit target is 10%, and maximum drawdown is 8%, which is very good. Whereas other prop firm offer 6%, and this prop firm is offering 8%, which is daily drawdown 4%. Whereas other prop firm offering 3%. This is very good. News trading allowed with condition. So we will check it out later. Reward split up to 90%. Minimum 4 days as usual. If you want 7 days payout, you can take add-ons. If you want 2 weekend trading, you can take another add-ons. And reward split you can increase with another add-ons. So now let's check some FAQs. All your questions answers is available here. If not, you can seek support from their live support center. They will answer immediately. Their support system is very fast. I have checked. So let's check some important rules. Maximum account size 200k, which price is $999 for 2 steps. In 1 step, maximum capital is 100k, which price is $699. All the evaluations are unlimited, and also the funded phase is unlimited. There is no time limit. Yes, you can hold your trade over the weekend by taking their add-ons during the challenge purchase checkout. You can see the initial profit split is 80%, but you can increase it to 90% by taking their add-ons when you purchase the challenge. And they offer Forex, indices, stock, cryptocurrencies, commodities, metals as well to trade. That means everything is available here. There is no crisis of assets to trade, which is very good. Yes, you can hold multiple accounts at a time. So also they provide trading signals, market analysis. Once you purchase their challenge, you will get regular update in your registered email. They have mobile application. You can check it yourself. They have support system. You can reach out there in their email, phone, live chat, WhatsApp. Yes, you are allowed to trade in news in both phase, challenge and funded phase, but you have to manage your risk carefully. You can take hedging position in the same account. What platforms are supported by Giimer? Giimer offers MT5 series. It's just like a C trader, which is high quality and premium softwares to trade. You are getting for free. Those are the main trading rules. There is nothing complicated and no hidden rules, which is very good, and I like it. Now what you have to do, you have to go to my video description and click on the registration link, sign up in this prop firm. So go to my video description, complete your sign up. It's free. After that, log into your dashboard and check it out everything. This is your benefit. If you complete your sign up, then Once I will announce the giveaway, there will be first priority who registered early. So please do your job. Now let's check their Trustpilot. Their Trustpilot score is 4.6, which is excellent, very good. And this is just a start. Already they are paying hundreds of traders. So if you are guys want me to bring more giveaways from different prop firms, please support, like and comment on this video, and join my Telegram channel for regular prop firm updates, free prop firm challenge giveaways, Forex no deposit bonus, and profitable trading setups. Thank you.